Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Umecaya Ningsi from Communication Student. Today I wanna explain about plus minus social media used for millennials. Millennial generation is a generation born between the 1980s and the present. This generation is very familiar with the world of digital based on technology. The use of gadget is part of their lifestyle. Instead, technology users have a facility to various activities of this millennial generation. So next is social media. Social media is a communication medium that has synchronization in the delivery message. A message delivery automatically to share can be damaged. So it's required caution in sharing information through the social media. Millennials adolescents are human with all the curiosity of the new things, the need for self-existence, increasing knowledge insight. Other goals to make social media as a media of choice in communicating that information include to look for various information we need today will grow and life in 21st century grow into millennial generation where social media and the internet become part of their lifestyle. Based data on from research result from We Are Social, a social media research institute from the UK with Hotsuite released in January 2019 show that social media users in Indonesia have reached 115 million people out of a total population of 268.2 million. Meanwhile, the use of social media through gadgets, mobile phone is 130 million or about 48% of the population. This data show how large the use of social media among the public. And next, youth detect using the internet. Youth detect in the information system amount to about 73.27% of youth using the internet in the last 3 months. Around 83.82% of youth in urban areas use the internet during the last 3 months, while in rural areas around 59.47%. This show a very high interaction of young people in using access to technology that can connect them to the social media. In addition, in terms of the number of mobile phone ownership that can access information through smartphone is also quite large. This percent of youth who have HP is 93.2%. The height of cell phone was at the age 19 until 24 years, which was between 89.71 and 94.22%. At 25 until 30 years were 86.78%, and youth age 60 until 18 years were 84.85% and 91.50% respectively. A very large number of youth, not to mention the youth under the age of 60 and under of overage of 13, which according to some groups are still classified as millennial youth. Social media can be used for effective dissemination of information and developing social skills and sensitivity. However, not a few of them have a negative impact and even tend to dangerous in personal life of their figure of the youth who has hit by the impact. BBC Futures conducts research on the social impacts of using this social media, including social media can cause stress. This conclusion is based on research conducted by the Pew Research Center 2015 in Washington involving 1,800 respondents. The research showed the most of women experience higher level of stress than men in the use of social media. This is especially seen in application user Twitter on their social media. And number 2 is worry, depression, and sleep. By Looking at the result of the survey that was briefly described above regarding the use of social media features as a means of educative information, it shows the social media brings fresh air to the implementation of education globally. This shows how big the role of social media in the world of education in general and has an impact positive for development of student mindset, especially millennial teenagers who care about their educational career. By looking the description above, we can conclude that some of positive impact of social media on millennial youth are as follow: as a means of educational information, a learning medium that exciting, a broad communication medium, as a good socialization media, and etc. Of course, this positive impact of the media social to development of thought patterns among millennial youth generation does not hit strongly to all millennials youth. The impact positive can only be felt by the millennials teenagers who take advantage of weekly social media optimally and accord with the needs the support development of the toward positive. So this is for me. I hope this information can be useful for you guys, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.